Today we are going through this brand new home here in Cedar City, Utah, in the brand new Iron Crest Subdivision. This home is just under 2,000 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, an office to itself, not to mention that amazing 3-car garage with an RV garage as well. This is a magnificent home. It has beautiful finishes, a beautiful master bedroom and bathroom. You do not want to miss it. Let's go check it out. Such a great home, really well thought out, built by Callison Construction. And you will see as we go through the home, there's thought behind this build. It's not a cookie cutter build. He's got board and batten siding, beautiful beams out here in front, not to mention the stone in the front of the house as well. And all the great, just the look of the house is really, really nice, really, really appealing. But let's go inside. As we walk straight through the door, to the left is gonna be your private office area. A lot of homes have the 3 bedrooms, but one of them is considered an office. In this home, there is a designated office, which is super nice, especially these days. A lot of people work from home, whether they're remote workers or just need to have an office at home. This is really, really nice, and it doesn't take away from your other bedrooms. Such a good feature there. But let's look at this. Great living room, a lot of really nice space, enough for a big sectional couch, an ottoman, or a table in the middle. Even some chairs for plenty of entertaining room, and a really, really nice gas fireplace here with custom shelvings on both sides, not to mention the slab right there of wood. It just looks really, really nice, very professional. Like I said, it's not cookie cutter. This builder does a really good job in thinking out how his builds are going to look, and then he really makes them come alive. Vaulted ceiling there, just to give you a little bit more breathing room, not to mention that ceiling fan. So really, really nice first little living space area. But this kitchen is absolutely magnificent. Beautiful cabinets, they go all the way to the top. If you are looking to build a house or want a house, that I think is a must-have. It helps with dust. It helps fill the room so it looks so much nicer, so much sleeker. Under each of the cabinets is its own well-lit lighting. Just looks beautiful. Again, this house is just under 2,000 square feet, so it's not a huge, huge house, but this is a really, really nice kitchen, plenty of cupboard space. Again, it goes all the way up, so you have all that extra room. Brand new appliances, washer, dishwasher, your lovely range there, and a nice big island right here in the middle. But one of my favorite features that builders are doing now is this hidden pantry. Just look at that, it's so sleek you would never even know that it is right there. And instead of people seeing your food and all your prep stuff, you can do it right here in this nice little nook. And it's nice to have a little window to see your guests pulling up as you're prepping your food. But even just to have that right there, it just makes your kitchen look so much sleeker, so much nicer. That is a nice professional finish that a lot of houses don't have, especially not just regular stick-built spec homes. This one goes above and beyond. Very simple dining room here. Put a table right there. You can fit at least a 6-person, maybe even an 8 if you can. I think you could definitely do it. 6 to 8 person table right there. It's nice to have a half bath as well, so your guests aren't using your other bathrooms. Just nice to have this. Good place to go to the bathroom. Great little sink. Perfect for not stinking up the rest of the other side of the house. Now this is the master bedroom. Really nice. I really like the windows. It brings in a lot of good light. And you also have a nice view of Cedar Mountain. A really good space right here for your bed. Easily fit a king-size bed right there. And like I said, a very nice view of the rest of the neighborhood, but also of Cedar Mountain. It's not the most amazing view, but it is a view nonetheless. A view nonetheless. But really good sized master bedroom. But he did take a little bit of the square footage and put it into the master bath, which I think is really, really smart, because having a nice master bathroom is super, super important. One thing, he used this barn door. That way you don't have a swinging door, it's not wide open. If you'd like the privacy, you can just keep it like that, and it's just sliding. It's so easy, so convenient. It doesn't take away any of the space. But check out this master bathroom. Really, really nice toilet right here. We don't care about that though. We care about double vanity, double mirror. It would be nice if the mirror went all the way across, but some people like it like this, so you can decide what you like most. Again, lighting underneath all the cabinets. Really nice touch. Really big soaker tub with the window here that is not see-through, but still brings natural light so that you can sit here and enjoy a nice warm bath, not to mention a beautiful walk-in shower. Room right there for soap and everything, but very spacious. Tile going up all the way to the top and to the bottom. Really, really professional, really nice. And a good sized walk-in master closet. You always need more closet space, and this one is it's a fair size. It is a very good size, if you ask me. So that is the highlight of this house, I think, is just this master bedroom, bathroom kind of area. But do not go away. We still have the 3-car garage with the RV extension that I need to show you, which I'll show you right after I show you the rest of these two bedrooms, and the bathroom. You do not want to miss out on that. Before we move on to see the rest of the house, I just want to talk briefly about our free consultation that we offer everyone and a free relocation guide. If you're from out of state or you're unfamiliar with the buying process, having those resources help a lot, and we offer them free to anyone who wants them. We'll leave them in the link in the description below. It's free for anyone. Just go in, fill out the form, and we will send it to you. No obligation required. We just want to help you out in any way that we can. But let's get back to the rest of this amazing house. The rest of this house, like I said, we have 2 nice sized bedrooms on this side of the house. Very fair sized, good for your kids, good for guest rooms, and even a crafts room if you have that space, or a playroom as well. That is whatever you need it for. These bedrooms are big enough that you can absolutely do that. They're very similar. They just fill out the space. Really, really nice. And a good full bathroom right here as well. Tub and shower. Again, really nice flooring, tile, and it matches in the bathroom as well. Very sleek, very well designed. Storage closets on both sides as well. Cleaning supplies, blankets, bathroom supplies, all of that good stuff. But again, another good sized bedroom. This one is nice as well. See into the backyard, get that view again of the mountains, and another good sized closet. Really good sized closet for a spare bedroom like this. But let's go see that beautiful RV garage that I've been teasing at. That is super, super nice for a lot of different reasons. One, even if you're not going to use it for an RV or a boat, it's just nice to have all of that extra space to put anything. But here's the extended, beautiful 2-car garage. It's really deep as well, so you can fit a nice big truck in here. You know, if you have small cars, you could fit 2 cars in here just alongside each other. So really, really big, a lot of space, but just look at how spacious this part of the garage is. I don't know how long this is, but it just goes back so very far. Really, really high ceilings. That way you know that you're not gonna hit the top. You can fit just about any type of boat or RV in here. And it might not even take up the whole room, so again, you still have all of this back here for extra space. 220-volt charger as well in case you need to charge your RV or your camper. Just really, really nice to have this in a home. A lot of homes don't have it, and this one does, which is absolutely fantastic. We passed the laundry room as we came by, but laundry room slash mud room, I guess you could say, because it is off of the garage. But washer and dryer will go there. Nice hanging rack, has everything that you need. And last, but definitely not least, is the patio, which is super nice. If I can get it to unlock, there we go. Super nice, it's super straightforward, but it's big enough to have a patio table or some furniture back here. You have a gas hookup for your grill, and you can finish the backyard however you would like. Now I will say, just so you know, there's of course the block wall right there, but the builder is going to put in the block wall from right there, which is the property line, going all the way to the end of the house. Same thing on this side. So when you purchase this house, it will have a full block wall. Privacy is very important to people, and the builder understands that, and so he's going to put in a nice block wall. Especially if you have dogs or pets or even kids, it's nice to know that they're in the backyard and that they're safe, and that your neighbors can't be as nosy, because we don't want nosy neighbors. But yeah, that is the home. Really, really nice. Callison Construction has done an amazing job with this house. Priced really well, as well at $628,000, in one of the nicest new and up and coming neighborhoods. As you've seen, there are new builds everywhere in this subdivision. The homes are not more than 3 years old. So really, really nice, really, really brand new. This home can be yours. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really love this home. I think it has a lot of great things. It has everything for retirees, new couples, new families, older families. It has everything that you really need, as long as you don't have more than probably 5 or 6 people in your family. If that is in your range, then this house has a lot of great things that could be perfect for you. But thank you so much for watching today's video. Hit the subscribe button, comment down below what you liked about this home or what you would like to see next. Don't forget the free location guide and consultation with me or someone on my team is in the description below. We'd love to connect with you and see how we can help you achieve your real estate dreams and make the move here to Southern Utah. But thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.